In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language settings on Patreon. Whether you're looking to navigate the platform in a language that's more comfortable for you or simply exploring multilingual options, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Patreon homepage. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the Patreon site, it's essential to ensure that you're logged into your account. Without being logged in, you won't be able to make the necessary changes to your settings. Now that you're comfortably on the home page, your next step is to locate the Settings option. To find it, look towards the upper right hand of your screen. You'll usually see your profile icon or picture up there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. One of the options in this menu is Settings. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens for personalizing your account. In the settings menu, you'll see various tabs, but the one you're interested in is labeled Account. Clicking on Account will bring you to a page filled with different options related to your personal information and preferences. Here, you'll be able to make several customizations to how your account behaves and looks. Now here's the key part, locating the language settings. Scroll down a bit and you should find an option that lets you change your language preference. There will be a drop-down menu or a set of options that displays the different languages available on Patreon. Choose the language you're most comfortable with, whether it's Spanish, French, German, or another one. Selecting a new language will instantly refresh the page to display in your chosen language. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You've successfully changed the language on your Patreon account. By following these straightforward instructions, you can ensure that your experience on the platform is as personalized and enjoyable as possible. As a tip, remember that if you find yourself tangled in a language you're unfamiliar with and you need to switch back, you can follow these same steps to return to your default language. Personalization is one of the things that makes digital experiences more rewarding, and Patreon makes it easy to cater to your needs in this aspect. Thank you for joining me in this guide. I hope you found it helpful and it made your Patreon experience a little easier to navigate. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a wonderful day.